You need to hear this if you own a GE fridge, struggling with spoiled milk or mushy veggies. Let's solve your fridge thermostat woes together. First things first, unplug your fridge. Safety always comes first. Now check your thermostat dial. Sometimes it gets bumped by accident. Set it to the middle and listen for a click. That's a good sign. Still not working? Let's move on. Next, look inside the fridge. Is the vent blocked with food or ice? Clear it out so cold air can flow. If you've done that and things still aren't cooling, you'll need to test the thermostat. Remove the control panel cover. It usually just pops off. Use a Phillips screwdriver if needed. With the power still off, look for the thermostat. It's a small round part with wires. If you have a multimeter, set it to continuity and test the thermostat terminals. No beep? That means it's broken and needs replacing. Order a compatible thermostat for your GE model online. Install the new one. Put the cover back and plug your fridge in. Give it a few hours and check if it's cooling properly. Congrats! You just fixed your GE fridge thermostat. For more home fixes, hit that subscribe button.